What's up everybody, welcome to another Python 3 recipe. In today's video we're going to talk about sequences transformation with the map and filter functions in Python. So let's say you have built a blog and you made a couple of blog posts, and on those blog posts you have some comments. But one day you just decide, oh well, I want all the comments on my blog post to be in capital case. How do you do that? The problem here is, how do you uppercase all the commands without looping over them and using the indexing syntax in Python? Well, the answer is that in order to achieve that, we can use the very special map function in Python. And let's run this first code snippet here. So as you see here, this is the most interesting line where we're actually doing the uppercase of all the comments in our lists. So you see here, we send to the map function, we pass in as first argument the str.upper function, which is the upper function from the str module, and we pass in our second parameter, the comments, which is the list of comments that we want to uppercase. And since the map function returns a generator, we have to call list on that generator in order to get as a return to this variable sorry, an actual list. And if we print here, you will see that the first comment was not edited at all. So this is actually what we return, which is the list of comments, and now they're uppercased. Another way to do this is to use a lambda function. So instead of using the str upper function from the str module, we can create our very own mapping function. Here in this instance it's a lambda function. So we are saying that given a comment from this comments list, we want to return is uppercase. And if we run this actual snippet, we can see that indeed every comment in our list is now uppercased. So that's about it for the mapping function, for the map function in Python. Let's go to our second problem statement, which is, how do we filter? Let's say you want to look at the comments in your blog which are more than 20 characters long, and you want to do that without using the indexing syntax and without using the if clause. How do you go about doing that? Well, the answer is we can use the filter function in Python, and it's pretty much the same idea that we did for mapping. So in this case, let's run this snippet here. You can see that we had initially in our list of comments, we had this comment which was less than 20 characters long, but here after we have filtered, that comment was actually removed from our list. And how does it work? Same idea, we pass into the filter function as first parameter a filtering function which will take as argument a comment, compute its length, and return true if the length is strictly greater than 20, and what is the comment, what is the original list that we want to filter is our list of comments. So once we have done that, we print it, and you can see, like we have already mentioned, our comments are now filtered. And similarly, as we did for the mapping function, instead of using all this boilerplate, we can use a very pretty lambda function for which we will pass as first parameter the comment, which is a comment coming from this list. And we want our lambda function, in this case, instead of returning the uppercase of the comment, to return a boolean. So the boolean will be true if the comment is longer than 20 characters. And based on this boolean, the filtering function will decide whether or not to return the comment to the filtered comments list that we are building here. So let's compile this snippet, and you see we get exactly the same result. And just as a proof that our original comment list was not edited or updated in any way, we can print it, and you see that it still contains the first comment, which was not more than 20 characters long. So that's about it for this recipe about sequences transformation in Python. So hopefully you will learn something new. If the case, please give it a thumbs up and feel free to ask any question in the comment section, and I will do my best to answer those. As always, you can find the code for this snippet in the description below, and be sure to subscribe for future videos, and thanks for watching.